+2 Physics Unit 5 Electromagnetic Waves Part 2 1 mark Questions and Answers. Dear students, now we are going to see the answers for the Unit 5 Electromagnetic Waves Part 2. Question number 36. Ultraviolet radiation frequency range is given by the value 8 into 10 power 14 Hertz to 10 power 17 Hertz. Question number 37. Ultraviolet radiation used to destroy bacteria, sterilizing the surgical instruments, burglar alarm, detect the invisible writing, fingerprints, and also in the study of atomic structure. Question number 38. The X-rays wavelength range is 3 into 10 power minus 9 meter to 3 into 10 power minus 11 meter. Question number 39. X-rays frequency range is given by 10 power 17 Hertz to 10 power 19 Hertz. Question number 40. X-rays have more penetrating power than the ultraviolet radiation. Now we are going to see the answers for the question number 41 to 45. Question number 41. X-rays are used to detect faults, cracks, flaws and holes. Question number 42. X-rays are used in studying the crystal structures. Question number 43. Gamma rays have the frequency range between 10 power 18 Hertz and above. Question number 44. Gamma rays used in radiotherapy for the treatment of cancer and tumor, in food industry to kill pathogenic microorganism. Question number 45. The plural form for spectrum is spectra. Now we are going to see the answers for the question number 46 to 50. Question number 46. Spectrum obtained from carbon arc, incandescent solids, liquids is continuous spectra. Question number 47. Line spectra are also known as discontinuous spectra. Question number 48. Examples for line spectra are atomic hydrogen, helium. Question number 49. Examples for band emission spectrum is ammonia gas in a discharge tube. Question number 50. Dark lines in the solar spectrum are known as Fraunhofer lines. Dear students, now we are going to see the answers for the following questions. Question number 51. The Fraunhofer lines in the solar spectrum help in identifying the elements present in the sun's atmosphere. Question number 52. Electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. This means that the oscillating electric field vector, the oscillating magnetic field vector and the propagation vector are mutually perpendicular to each other. Question number 53. Electromagnetic waves can show interference, diffraction and also can be polarized. Question number 54. Types of spectra are emission spectrum and absorption spectrum. Question number 55. When the spectrum of self-luminous source is taken, we get a emission spectrum. Question number 56. Solar spectrum is an example of line absorption spectrum. Question number 57. The existence of electromagnetic waves was experimentally confirmed by Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. Question number 58. Radar stands for radio detection and ranging. Question number 59. Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Question number 60. Transitions of a radioactive nuclei and decay of certain elementary particles produce a gamma rays. Now we are going to see the answers for the question number 61 to 65. Infrared radiation frequency range is 10 power 11 Hz to 4 into 10 power 14 Hz. Question number 62. Visible light wavelength range is 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter to 7 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Question number 63. The frequency range of visible light is 4 into 10 power 14 Hz to 8 into 10 power 14 Hz. Question number 64. Visible light is used to study the structure of molecules, arrangement of electrons in external cells of atoms, and sensation of our eyes. Question number 65. The wavelength range of ultraviolet radiation is 3 into 10 power minus 9 meter to 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Dear students, now we are going to see the answers for the question number 66 to 70. The total current enclosed by the surface becomes the sum of conduction current and displacement current. This is known as a Ampere-Maxwell law. Question number 67. The IR radiation is used to produce the dehydrated fruits. Question number 68. In TV remotes, IR radiation is used as signal carrier. Question number 69. The energy of the electromagnetic waves comes from the energy of the oscillating charge. Question number 70. The amplitude of the electric and magnetic fields are 3 into 10 power 4 Newton by Coulomb and 2 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla respectively. Full stop. Then the speed of the electromagnetic wave is 1.5 into 10 power 8 meter by second. With thanks prepared by B. Ilangovan, MSc, M.Ed, M.Phil, Principal, SSKV Boys Metric Higher Secondary School, Conchipuram.